Welcome back to ClearSpot. You're in charge of a massive solar farm, hundreds of panels soaking up the sun. Everything looks perfect, until a tiny fault, one you can't even see, starts costing you thousands, or worse, shuts the whole operation down. Now imagine having a tool that sees what you can't, a drone that spots danger before it strikes. That's the power of DJI's enterprise thermal drones. And today we're uncovering how they're rewriting the rules for safety, efficiency, and precision across industries like energy, public safety, and infrastructure. In this video, we're diving deep into DJI's Mavic 3 Thermal and Matrice 30 series, drones that don't just fly, they reveal the invisible. From cutting-edge thermal tech to real-world use cases saving millions, you'll see why these aren't just gadgets. They're the future of industrial inspections. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about what makes these drones special. Thermal imaging. With 640 by 512 resolution sensors, these bad boys can pick up temperature shifts as small as 0.1 degrees Celsius. That's like spotting a single candle in a dark stadium. Whether it's an overheating solar panel, a faulty electrical line, or a hidden leak, these drones catch it all. Here's where it gets cool split-screen analysis. You can see the regular view, like a crisp 56x zoom shot, right next to the thermal view. So, if a solar panel's acting up, you'll know if it's a crack, a shadow, or something worse. And with isotherms and high-temp alerts, the drone flags problems instantly, no more hunting for needles in haystacks. Imagine getting a ping the moment a pipeline's too hot or a substation's about to blow. That's not just smart, it's a total game changer. These drones aren't just smart, they're tough. With 45-minute flight times, they can cover over 100 acres in one go, even when it's freezing at -10 degrees Celsius or scorching at 40 degrees Celsius. And with an IP55 rating, rain, snow, or dust, no problem. Plus, they've got omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, 6 fisheye sensors and APS 5.0 tech to weave through tight spots like a pro. Think of it as a drone with its own force field, ready for anything from stormy wind farms to crowded cityscapes. Whether you're battling the elements or navigating a jungle of steel, these drones don't back down, they're built for the real world. Now, let's talk brains. These drones come with smart automation that makes inspections a breeze. Terrain follow keeps them at the perfect height over uneven ground, so your data's always spot on. And with mission planning, you can draw a flight path on your tablet or load one you've saved and let the drone do the rest. Here's the kicker: live mission recording. Save a route once and you can rerun it with one tap. Weekly solar farm scans? Done. It's like setting your DVR to record your favorite show, except this saves you millions. Automation means less work, fewer risks, and data you can trust every time. Who doesn't love that? Safety's non-negotiable, and DJI delivers. 6 sensors give you 360-degree obstacle avoidance, while DJI AirSense warns you about nearby planes, perfect for busy areas. And for precision, the RTK module locks in centimeter-level accuracy so your maps and measurements are tighter than a drum. Whether you're mapping a power grid or flying near a forest, these drones keep you in control and out of trouble. It's peace of mind in the sky, safety and accuracy all wrapped into one. So where are these drones shining brightest? Let's break it down. Scanning a solar farm used to take days. Now, minutes. These drones spot micro cracks or faulty diodes fast, cutting manual inspections by 83%. One missed fault can cost $12,000 an hour. Do the math. In a fire, every second counts. These drones see through smoke, track fire spread, and find people in trouble. It's like giving firefighters superpowers. Transformers, pipelines, substations. These drones catch overloads or leaks from above, slashing inspection costs by 60% compared to helicopters. Efficiency meets savings. Insulation gaps or leaks? These drones find them without risky climbs, making building checks faster and safer. Still wondering if it's worth it? A Mavic 3. Thermal can pay for itself in just 3 to 5 missions by dodging downtime disasters. It scales from small jobs to massive projects, and it meets big standards like NFPA and OSHA, so your reports are bulletproof. This isn't just a drone, it's an investment that keeps on giving. DJI's enterprise thermal drones turn risks you can't see into data you can act on. They're not just tools, they're force multipliers, making teams faster, safer, and smarter. From solar farms to firefighting, they're unlocking a new way to work. If you're ready to stop guessing and start seeing, check out the Mavic 3 Thermal and Matrice 30 series. Trust me, you won't look back. That's the scoop on how DJI's thermal drones are changing the game. Want to see them in action for yourself? Click the link below to explore the Mavic 3 Thermal and Matrice 30 series. If this got you pumped, Hit that like button, subscribe for more. Let's keep the innovation flying. See you next time. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.